Hello everyone and welcome to another stone video. So we're in February 2020 and usually January and February is a crystal show. And since I live close to Arizona, I like to go to those shows. So in the future we'll definitely go to some shows. This year I'm not going to any shows, but I want to share with you, like I did in the other video, one of my large rose quartz that I got. I really love this one. I stand it up, and I apply some feng shui, and I put it in the right corner. Yeah. So I wanted to talk more about other spiritual meanings for rose quartz and other stones. So this is a rough rose quartz right here. So in the other video you can watch that I just made yesterday, I believe, but for rose quartz, you can use it for self-love, okay? Self-love and attracting love. So if you've done your like aura, kriyas, and any kind of energy work that you do, to just magnetize how you feel about yourself and working on all of your chakras, right? Because when I first started teaching yoga, I was very much interested in the chakras because everyone, and I've studied the chakras for years. And just teaching and talking about the chakras made sense because we're emotional beings and we experience things in life, and whatever we're doing, we want to relate it to our life to make it a lot easier, right? Because we're drawn to things that are more pleasurable than things that are, say, upsetting. So the rose quartz is strong for attraction, healing love, okay? So healing the heart. So we know this already, right? But in the last video, I didn't really touch on that much. So healing the heart is very good for that. Self-love, attracting love. So self-love is the first thing you work on, and you're just incorporating the stones. You're using the stones. Some people can do candles, stones, dancing, essential oils, okay? But this is stonework, okay? So stone love, right? So attracting love, strong attraction. And also working on your aura, because after you've done all the chakras, but especially the work on your sacral chakra, which is water, your attraction to your partner, and also you loving your body, when you do that sacral chakra work, that really strengthens the heart chakra. Okay, so it just is going to work on that sacral chakra to magnetize your being, your presence, right? So to have that magnetic, electromagnetic energy about yourself, right? So the rose quartz really help with the healing love. I wanted to emphasize that, and working with your aura. So the greenstone aventurine, and in yoga class, when I brought with me little tiny rose quartz, I think I left them in my car, aventurine and red jasper, but they weren't this size. They were like, 1/5 this size, okay? Like little tiny ones, okay? So the aventurine, it is supposed to be about manifesting money, right? It's like prosperity. But what I found is that, and I can't even read my doctor's scribble, okay? It's supposed to help with a successful love, okay, and for the finances of the love, right? So it's something nice to, if you put it in your bra, you put it in your pocket, it's just magnetizing that energy. So you're walking around, everyone has their own aura and their own energy. Okay, I'm going to pause this for a second. So, okay, I had to pause because I got a call, but this is going to be like, you can infuse this for successful love, right? Green is money, adventuring, but it could also be the heart chakra. So I'm probably going to make this on my Instagram because I think some of them are on my Instagram, but I really want everyone to give me some love here on YouTube for this channel. And the finances of love. So that's what came to me. And yeah, and a lot of the people that are deeply spiritual associate this with successful love, okay? So adventuring, we covered that. Amethyst, this one's a little bit dusty. I've had this one for a while. So sometimes I'll just wash it off real quick. But this is probably one of my smallest amethyst. Okay, amethyst for the crown chakra, for dream work. You can keep it by your bed so that you remember your dreams. Water, a glass of water is good. That's an old spiritual practice I learned as a kid. You know, like the older folks are like, yeah, leave a glass of water next to your bed so that your dreams are clear. You remember them because that's your prophecy. That's your warning. You know, from ancestors or from God or from, you know, whoever, right? So that was the belief I grew up with. So this amethyst, oh, a little piece is kind of rocky. Okay. It gives blessings. It gives you blessings from above. Obviously, it's a crown chakra. So when you put things in different words, it's kind of like, oh yeah, right. So it's like blessings from above, right? And it's connecting you to that universal love energy of the Creator, God. The energy of the universe. Okay, so this is also a good love stone, and that's the meaning behind that. Jasper. I don't think I did Jasper. Jasper is stability in love. Okay, and I always think just one track with these stones, but when you apply them to a specific emotion, it could tailor into that, okay, as well. And the funny thing is, I was teaching class on Monday, and we're talking, was it Monday? We're talking about the chakras? I think so. And it's like if you're working on your sacral chakra for one emotion or one experience, right? You can start at the root chakra and tailor it to that specific experience that you're trying to work through. Each of the chakras will relate to each other in whatever problem you have. Okay? So if you're working on it was a love week, so we had, you know, a Valentine's Day love week at work, at teaching yoga classes and meditation classes. So say that you don't like the scent of your partner, right? Their natural scent. So is that the example I want to give? Yeah, I think so. I'm not supposed to answer myself, I was told. But say that, okay, picking someone. Yeah, you don't like the person's scent, right? But you're like, oh, they're cute. Or, oh, I kind of feel sorry for them, which is a wrong reason to be in a relationship with someone. So for whatever reason, say you don't like their scent. The belief behind this is that your DNA with that person doesn't match up because, you know, there could be an issue, or that person is not genuine with you, right? There's something off with them. Animals know this. If they don't like the scent of that dog or cat, they're not going to mate with them. So as humans, we got to listen to that. So that's your sacral chakra. That's that water, right? The baby in the womb. Sacral chakra deals with love and sexual relationship. It deals with your attraction to that partner, but it also deals with your comfort level for liking your body the way it is. So flip it now to the root chakra, right? That's discernment. The root chakra covers stability, foundation, feeling secure, feeling rooted like a tree. I'm rooted in my body, my bones. This is my body. I feel connected to my body. I feel connected to this place that I live because I like this state, or, you know, wherever your homeland is, you feel connected to that, your home state, whatever. You feel connected to the west side of town more than the east or the north or the south part of town. So you're connected to that area, that energy in that location vibes with you, it works with you. So back to the root chakra. I don't, sacral chakra. I don't like the scent of this person, but I feel like I'll give it a go. Or, you know, oh, you know, it feels right, I guess so, but something's off, but I'm going to ignore that. Don't, because if you go back to the root chakra and that root chakra is strengthened, that would be your discernment. Okay. So, you don't need the stones. People always say, oh, you don't need the stones for anything, but we're in the physical world, so it's tangible, keyword. And you can use the stones to help focus what you are doing. And it's nice to have that because the element of the earth, we're on this planet, so we have that connection. The air works for us. The stones, the crystal, the herbs, everything that's here is harmonious to us. There's a cure for us. There's something here for us. So connecting to the physical makeup of the crystals, they do help, okay? And this is centuries of study, so you associate with these stones different things, okay? So I hope this helps. I'm looking at my notes. You know, from the video yesterday that I made about the rose quartz, you know, unconditional love, relationships, restoring your love, self-love, feeling relaxed, comfortable, calm. You know, that's what the rose quartz gives you, and the amethyst just brings you all the way up because that's the crown chakra, okay, and still grounding you. All right, is the root chakra. So, you know, those are some of the crystals I wanted to mention. So let me look at this up. Now, I skipped over some chakras. So the sacral chakra would be citron. I'm just going to give that one. The heart chakra would be like adventuring. Okay, there's many others. Throat chakra could be blue calcite, any kind of blue stone. Lapis lazuli is for the throat. You can use lapis lazuli. Is so powerful. It's such an ancient stone. Yeah, I mean, okay, I can get into that in my other channel. For the third eye, you can use a clear crystal. For all of the chakras, clear crystal. All the chakras, clear crystal. For the third eye, you can use any purple stone as well. Okay. For the solar plex, anything that's yellow, like yellow jade, all of that. The sacral chakra, you can definitely use carnelian, okay? That carnelian is really good. Of course, the crown chakra is amethyst, okay? So there's very different stones. Carnelian is such a beautiful orangey stone. It's like one of my favorite, you know, next to rose quartz and amethyst. But I'm telling you, cornelian, for like a year I was obsessed with cornelian. It's so beautiful, and definitely should be a stone to get even in a heart shape, because the symbol matters to us. Our on our dimension world, we associate that carnelian with the sacral chakra. So get one in the shape of a heart, even though you don't associate the sacral chakra with your heart. And this is a very powerful teaching because it has to do so much with loving ourselves, relationship love as well. So yes, you can use those stones for your Reiki practice, for any self-healing sessions for other people, for your meditation, and just balancing out your energy and bringing like a harmonious energy to your home. And if you can have plants, you can put green agate, which is more expensive and sometimes harder to find, depends on where you are. But aventurine, you can put that there. You can wrap a cord around it and then tie it to the base of the tree, not too tight because you don't want the tree to be uncomfortable to plant. And then, so if you wrap the stone around it and then tie the string to the tree, then that's good. Or just rest it next to the root and make it a small stone so it's not so heavy, because some plants don't like rocks to be on them, you know. So that's it, you know, close to the base of the plant. So anyway, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy Valentine's Day. Please click like, leave a comment, ask a question, and suggest this video to a friend, and help Chi Life Center, this YouTube page, grow. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in class, and I'll see you in the next video.